Hey everyone, in this video, I will guide you how to get motorcycle license in Oregon. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. To legally ride, you need a valid Oregon license plus either a motorcycle endorsement or permit. Riding without an endorsement can lead to fines up to $2,000, so it is important to follow the rules. First, all new motorcycle endorsement applicants in Oregon must pass an approved course, which course you take depends on your age. If you are under 21, you must complete the Team Oregon Basic course. For riders 21 or older, you can choose either the basic or intermediate course. Both include classroom on-bike training plus a test. After completing your course, you will apply for your motorcycle endorsement at the DMV. If you are over 21, you may also need to pass a DMV motorcycle knowledge test. If you are 16 or older, you can apply for a motorcycle instruction permit. This lets you ride with restrictions, like being accompanied by someone with a valid motorcycle endorsement, and requires passing a knowledge test and VN test. You can take the motorcycle knowledge test online at a DMV office or by appointment. Be sure to study the test material covering road signs and motorcycle rules. Once you pass the test and complete the course, you will receive your motorcycle endorsement. This allows you to legally ride a 2- or 3-wheel motorcycle. For details on required documents, fees, and other info, visit the official Oregon DMV website. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.